Differentiate between SQL and NoSQL databases. SQL structured query language and NoSQL, not only SQL databases, are two different types of database management system, each with its own set of characteristics and use cases. Here are some key differentiators between SQL and NoSQL databases. Data model. SQL databases are relational databases, which means that they use a structured schema with tables, rows, and columns to store and manage data. Data is organized in tabular format with predefined relationship. NoSQL databases are non-relational and can store data in various ways, including document-based, key-value column families, or graph model. NoSQL databases are more flexible and schema-less, allowing for dynamic and unstructured data. Second, schema. SQL database has fixed schema, which means the structure of the data is defined in advance and all data must adhere to that schema. NoSQL databases have a dynamic or schema-less approach, allowing you to add or modify fields as needed without requiring a predefined schema. Query language. SQL databases uses the SQL language for querying and manipulating data. SQL provides powerful querying capabilities, making it suitable for complex queries and reporting. NoSQL databases typically uses own query language or API tailored to the specific data model. Querying may be less expensive compared to SQL. Scalability. SQL. Traditional SQL databases are typically scaled vertically, adding more resources to a single server. This can be cost prohibitive and has limitations. NoSQL NoSQL databases are designed for horizontal scalability, meaning you can add more servers to distribute the workload, making them more suitable for handling large volumes of data and high traffic. Consistency. SQL database generally follow the ACID property, automaticity, consistency, isolation, durability properties, which prioritize data consistency and integrity. NoSQL databases often follow the available, basically available soft state eventually consistent model, which may prioritize availability and partition tolerance over immediate data consistency. Use cases. SQL databases are well suited for applications that require a fixed schema, complex query, and transactions such as financial system, e-commerce platform, and Relational data. NoSQL databases are often used in applications that need flexibility, scalability, and high-speed data ingestion, such as content management systems, social media platforms, and real-time analytics. Example SQL examples. SQL examples of SQL database include MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. NoSQL. Example of NoSQL database include MongoDB, Cassandra, Redis, and Neo4j. Data consistency and relationship. SQL databases support strong consistency and well suited for application with complex relationship between entities. NoSQL. NoSQL database can support various level of consistency, include eventual consistency, and are often chosen for application with simpler or changing data relationship. In summary, the choice between SQL and NoSQL databases depend on your specific application requirement, data model scalability needs, and the level of flexibility and consistency you require. Each type has its strengths and weaknesses, and the decision should be based on through the understanding of your project demands.